My trays are more consistent. My yields have grown.
I'm just psyched about it. It's so cool. It saved us a ton of time with our seeding process.
What used to take 2 hours now takes 20 minutes to 30 minutes.
We saved a lot of time of seeding.
Doing it consistently was close to impossible.
Before the little green seeding machine, we were using a bunch of these and doing a manual seeding process where we would fill up each of these and then we would open the top and we would manually shake this over every single tray. The prep time alone for these shakers would take hours to fill up enough for the trays to make sure that we measured them all right. And by the end of it, like we'd even get sore. Looking back on it, it worked, but it was annoying. Fast forward, I feel like I'm in the future with this thing right here.
Not being hunched over so much really makes a difference. I have more energy at the end of the day. I can actually be more present with my family and my children and make dinner and all of that.
Run through tray after tray after tray until we finish the amount of trays that we need for the week.
Still taking 3 hours to plant, but now I'm at 175 trays instead of those 50, 60 trays.
Right now, I am parting with doing the seeding and vermiculite myself, and it's now delegated to employees doing it all on their own. And I'm feeling confident walking away and knowing it's getting done right.
Even for those, 40, 50 trays, I kind of wish I had this back then.
Highly, highly recommend this thing. It saved us a ton of time. It's way more efficient, way more consistent.
Even if I'm growing 2 trays, I will throw it in the seeding machine because just the accuracy, it's going to help with the airflow of the crop, the yields.
Now I'm spending my time growing the farm, marketing a lot more.
This has really been a game changer. I'm really excited to see where this takes me. I'm trying new and different crops with it.
For me, it's been a game changer.
As a farmer, I want to spend more time with my family, and your seeder made it for me.